Good afternoon, student. Today I am take the class 5, chapter number 3, India's freedom struggle. Previous classes I am some topics described here the beginning stage of the Indian freedom struggle. Today I am describe the Sepoy Mutiny. Sepoy Mutiny, Great Revolt of 1857. Okay, Sepoy Mutiny 1857. Okay. It is the turning point of the struggle for the freedom came with Sepoy Mutiny in 1847. Okay, Sepoy Mutiny is the beginning, turning point of the struggle for freedom came with the Sepoy Mutiny 1857. Then 1857. It is the turning point of the freedom struggle. Okay, the turning point of freedom struggle is Sepoy Mutiny 1857. Okay. For the came with Sepoy Mutiny 1857, the religious belief and prejudices were disgraded by British. Okay, this religious belief and prejudice were discarded by the British. है ना? What is the reason of the Sepoy Mutiny 1857? First reason is the religious belief and prejudice were main things came to the forefront when it was confirmed that the courtesans used to cow and pig fats. So this yes, okay, the main reason for the disgraded by the British prejudices came to British and main things came to the front of Sepoy Mutiny when it was the confirmed that the courtesans used to cow and the pig fats. So okay, this spark of the revolt which began in the Meerut, but spread to all over all parts of the country. Okay, I am repeat again. The turning point of the struggle for the freedom came with the Sepoy Mutiny in 1857. Okay, this is the beginning stage of the struggle for the Indian freedom. Okay. The religious belief and prejudice were discarded by the British. The reason of the Sepoy Mutiny revolt at 1857, main things came from the foreign when it was confirmed that British used to cow and the pig festival. This spark of the revolt began in the Meerut. है ना? This is British used to cow and the pig fat because the soldiers of and this British army, Hindus and Muslims. So this is unused to cow and the pig fat. So this spark of this revolt was used began in the Meerut. But as